Notability added their first planner in October this year. We felt it made no sense reviewing a planner during that time of the year, but it's end of the year now and they added a 2021 planner to their Notability shop. Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless X, a channel that is dedicated to helping you discover the best apps for your business, education, productivity, creativity, and lifestyle. We've been going through Get Things Done apps lately. Planning and calendar apps are a great alternative to planners for digital planning. Different things work for different people. We're trying to cover a variety of approaches to digital productivity. The new planner in the Notability shop is the 2021 Dash Portrait Planner from Dash Planner. It costs $19.99 with a 7-day trial. Planners generally cost around that price, and Notability doesn't own any of these planners. They just have a shop, which is a platform for planner creators to sell their products to the right customers. The planner comes with 8 covers. All of them have dull colors, and that makes them professional looking. You can also decide when your week starts when you are creating the planner in the application. Because this planner is a portrait planner, to appreciate how it's meant to function, we have to turn the iPad and put it in portrait mode for the rest of this video. To navigate your planner, it's best to use your fingers. Otherwise, make sure to select the scrolling mode to use your Apple Pencil for tapping the hyperlinks in the planner. The landing page of the Dash Planner is the index page, which summarizes all the templates and the pages you have in your planner. You have calendars, note paper, page templates, and sections. All the pages in your planner have tabs on the right that let you navigate to the first page of the planner, the year's calendar, and all the months of the year. At the bottom of all your pages, you have links to the page templates, note paper, and sections in your planner. This Dash Planner is clean and modern. It comes with 6 different colors for your stickers, the color names of which we do not agree with. So you have the following colors for the planner: blue, which looks gray, orange, gray, purple, green is about the only color they seem to have sort of got right, and pink. But anyway, that doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter what the colors are named because you choose the color that you like from the options you see. What matters is if you like how they look or not. If you are a decorating enthusiast, you're probably going to have to supplement this, but for those that prefer a more minimalist approach to planning, these stickers will work if you'll need them at all. The cool thing about using stickers in the planners that come with Notability is that you can get to interact with your stickers with much ease, in that you can easily just add a lot of stickers and move them around, which is not an experience you get with PDF planners that you buy from third parties and not from the Notability shop. The planner has 3 calendars: 2021 calendar, key dates January to June, and July to December. Your key dates calendar is for noting any important events, anniversaries. It gives you an overview of the year. The year calendar links to weekly spreads in the planner when you tap one of these week numbers. And each date of the year is linked to a daily spread. Your monthly spread has your week numbers on the left. Each date is hyperlinked to a daily spread. At the bottom, you can highlight this month's tasks and write some notes. Your weekly spread helps you see an overview of your week. You have your days on the left side of the page. The other half, starting from the top, has sections for top priorities, tasks, and notes. Each day is hyperlinked to its own page. Your daily schedule is on the left half of your daily spread. You can plan your day for any time between 6 a.m. and 11 p.m. The other half of your planner has sections for focus, tasks, errands and communication, meal, exercise and self-care, and notes. You can go back to the weekly spread when you tap View Week. Sections are free to use for different aspects of your life. On the first page of the planner, you can label your sections so you always know what you are using them for. You can use the page templates in the planner in your sections, and you have 20 page templates in the planner, which is a lot, and we will not be going through all of them because that would just be boring. This planner is free, so you can definitely check it out in Notability. You probably won't be needing to supplement these with printable page templates that you purchase elsewhere because they have most aspects of your life covered. For your note paper, you have lined, grid, dotted, half lined, half blank, column, and blank. Everything in this planner is hyperlinked intuitively, and it gives a great user experience in Notability. If you're using Notability, have you tried this planner yet? Let us know. I will tell you which application is replacing Notability for me in the next video. So if you've not yet voted, head over to our community page and try guessing which application I am going to replace Notability with. I am very excited to be replacing Notability after 4 years. I did repeat Nebo. That was supposed to be Note Shelf. Sorry about that. Couldn't edit it afterwards. We hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you, fantastic human, for watching. See you in the next video.